Wow, ito yung dorada natin dito sa Espanya.
Everyone, let's fry fish. It's dorada from Spain. And bago natin i-fry, syempre lagyan natin ng asin and pamienta. And then arena so that hindi siya magtalsik-talsik. 'Di ba? At nang sa ganun ay mas madali din siyang alisin. Hindi siya kumakapit. That is the reason why we are going to add flour. Just a little bit of flour doon sa fish. Kaya we are going to use strainer. Yeah. Naiwan yung iba kasi lulutuin ko yun na sinigang. That is why. Another recipe. So, it's the head. That is why. So, this is the way how I fry fish. You can do it because it is easier and mas maganda talaga siya. It's easier to